everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my intermediate advanced combo 2, I'm Still Standing by Elton John. You can also use the Taron Egerton version from Sing. They're exactly the same, so you can do either or. I used the Elton John version. So if you would like to do this dance with music, I would recommend learning it here first. And then you can go and watch the short that I posted earlier this week where I did the dance with music. And that is linked in my description box below. So learn it here and then you can go do it with music with the short. And also, if you don't know a certain step that I use in this tutorial, there probably is a tap step tutorial posted about it. So you can also find my tap step tutorials playlist linked in my description box below where I go over a wide variety of steps, and it will most likely be in that playlist. So enjoy, and always remember that you can slow this video down, pause it if you need help, or rewind. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. So let's get started here. So we're going to start with a maxi forward on the right, stomp, and then maxi forward on the left, stomp. So we're here. So right foot's up, we're ready to go. We have maxi forward stomp. Other side. And if you want to make this more advanced, you are more than welcome to add in a pullback on those maxi forwards. So let me show you what that would look like with that. So you would go right foot. For this tutorial, I'm going to keep the pullback off, but you are more than welcome to use that if you want. So 2 maxi forwards, right side, left side. We just ended on the left. Ooh, I think I missed my board. There we go. And then we're going to go into the first part of the shim sham. So we're going to go stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step. So starting on the right foot here, 1, 2, and the break. Now we're going to start our maxi forwards on the left side. So maxi forward stomp starting left and right. Now shim shams on the left. So we have stomp, spank, step, 2, stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step. We're going to step, step, right, left, out, pull feet together. And then we're going to do some sugars. We're going to go sugar, 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 and stomp down on our left. So it's right, stomp, left. So we have sugar, 1, 2, 3, and stomp. Okay. And again, as I said, if I'm going too fast for you, pause it, rewind it, slow it down, whatever you need to do. Okay, so we just finished sugar, 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 stomp. Okay, so from here we're going to go into some Cincinnatis. We have 3 of them. We're going to step back on the drawback on the right first. So it's going to be a Cincinnati first on the left. So it's going to go drawback, Cincinnati, 2, 3, ending it with a left foot drawback. Okay, so when I count Cincinnatis, I count the shuffles and not just the drawbacks. So you're going to start with the drawback on the right. And that's just prepping to get into the Cincinnati on the left, Cincinnati on the right, and then one more Cincinnati left. So like I said, when I count the Cincinnatis, I count them as the shuffle, and specifically shuffle and then a drawback, not a drawback and then a shuffle. Sometimes it gets a little bit confusing what a Cincinnati actually is. But that's just the way I like to see it. Other people might have different ways of viewing it. So we finished drawback on the left. We're going to go into triple cramp roll on the right. Shuffle, step, step, heel, heel, and then we're going to go stomp, stomp. So right foot here, shuffle, step, step, heel, heel, and then stomp, stomp. Okay, I like to do these back and then front. If I go out to the side, I might get confused and think that I need to pull my feet together. So I like to go forward, or excuse me, backward, forward. Then we're going to go into some paradiddles. Right, left, 2 of them. We have 1, 2, and then we're going to go into an 8 count paradiddle on the right. So that's dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel. And then same thing on the left. 2 paradiddles, and then an 8 count. And then we're gonna go step, step, out, right, left. Pull your feet together. And then 3 sugars and a stomp down on the left. 1, 2, 3, stomp. Okay? The sugars don't make so much noise because it's just a swivel. The loudest noise is the step down. Okay? So from the top, I know that was a lot. From the top, we have our maxi forwards. Then the shim sham. Left side. Shim sham. And step out. Pull in sugars. 1, 2, 3, Cincinnati. Triple cramp roll. Paradiddle. 8 count. Paradiddle. 8 count. Step, step, pull, sugars. 1, 2, 3, stop. Whew, nicely done. That is slower than it goes though. So it goes faster than what we just did it there. And in a minute, I'll speed it up for you so that we can do that fast. Okay, now we're gonna go into some time steps. Single time step, 2 of them, right side, left side. So we just went sugar, 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 and stomp down. So right foot first, we have stomp, hop, step. And then from here, we're gonna do a modified single time step. So we're gonna go stomp, hop, ball, change. So that happens on the right foot. We have stomp, hop, ball, change. 2 cramp rolls, a regular and a reverse. So both on the right. We're gonna do a Broadway on the right. And then 2 riffs, a left and a right. Same thing on the left. Broadway on the left. And then 2 riffs, now it's right and then left. Okay, and that's the whole chorus section that we're going to repeat again. So once we finish with the Broadway on the left and riff, we're going to start back at those time steps again on the right foot. Stomp, hop, ball, cramp roll, Broadway, riff, left side. We're just going to do 1 riff on that right foot. Because then he goes here, I think he says, I'm still standing. We're going to go with that rhythm. So we finish on the right foot riff. We're going to go ball, change, slide, and then we're going to flick our right foot behind. So ball, change, left, right, slide, and then flick your right foot behind. And I think that that's where I ended the video. So let's see. So when we finished here, this is second time through, we went Broadway, riff, Broadway, 1 riff, I'm still standing. Ball, change, step slash slide, ball, change, and then a flick on the right. Okay? Okay, so from the top, up to tempo, with me saying the steps, and then I'll do it one more time up to tempo without me saying the steps. Okay, here we go. All right, from the very top, from those maxi forwards. Let's see, this is a fast one. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shim sham. Left. Shim sham. Step, step, sugar. Cincinnati. Triple cramp roll. Paradiddle. 8 count. Step, step, pull, sugars. Time step. Cramp roll. Broadway. Riff. Broadway. Time step. Stomp, hop, ball, change. Cramp roll. Broadway. Ball, change, slide, flick. Woo. That one's really fast. I'm going to be out of breath by the time this video is done. Okay, we're going to do it again. up to tempo without me saying the steps. I could barely get them out in that section because I was so out of breath and just trying to get through the moves. All right, here we go from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that was all proper, correct with the rhythms and whatnot. Nicely done on that. That was a fast one. So, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get to them as soon as possible. I'm always open to new ideas, so let me know down in the comment section. Like I said, I'm way out of breath. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.